Hello and welcome to Piano Tips by Jean. I'm an experienced adjudicator and have been an educator for over 40 years. I love sharing my ideas and I hope you'll try some of my tips in your studio. This video we're going to watch Jansen use my top note exercise, and you can witness him improve with a beautiful top note on the last chord at the end of the short video. Under the video there will be links that you can click for more detailed explanation, including my top note exercise, which I wrote out in full for you. I hope you enjoy. Nice. Okay. When you're playing chords, you want to play top notes more all the time. So even for thirds, if you can, because grade 8 people often don't actually. See if you can do that. What is that chord? There it is. Play just that last chord. Yeah, let's do the top note exercise. That's bar 11. Play, step 1 is you play only the top note. As loud as you can. Yeah, and make sure you do that. You move your wrist like that. Good. Go ahead. That's it. Doesn't it help to move the wrist like that? Because now you have a bigger sound, but still nice tone. Once more. Really loud with your wrist. And then you hold it down. Hold that top. Play it again like that. Hold it down and play the undernotes halfway down. Once. And play the undernotes halfway down 3 times now. Nice. Now can you play all 3 of them together with the undernotes halfway and the top loud? Fabulous. Now move all the fingers up 1 key. And play it again, same way. Just step 2. This is step 2. You go. That's step 2. Just go right into it. Nice. Then go up 1 note again. Yeah, and good. Keep going. We go up a whole octave. That's it. I think you might only need to do this 2 different days this week, question mark. Now let's go. If you enjoyed this video, please click to subscribe to enjoy more piano tips. There is a link below that takes you to my website for more detailed explanations. I will be adding a new video every 3 weeks. I truly wish to thank you viewers who have already subscribed, as it means so much to me. And I would love to hear from you with questions or suggestions. Under the videos you can scroll down now to leave a comment, or through my website on the contact form. For more information, visit pianotipsbyjean.com. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you return again soon and have a wonderful week.